Hello, welcome back. Our next pattern is going to be an outside underarm turn. That comes off the right turning box, gentlemen, okay? Remember, it's just got a little tricky. So it's an outside underarm turn coming off the right turning box. So let's go ahead and give you an angle here and go right into it. Ready? And remember, gentlemen, you're going back with your left foot on the right turning box and ladies forward with the right. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. All right, let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. All right, give you another angle here. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. Okay, so you got a few different angles there that you can pull from. Watch them over and over. Again, it's a little tricky one because it's to the right. Outside underarm turn. Go back, rewind, have fun. We'll see you back in the next pattern.